Broody. She's an old lady. And we also have Luna. This is Luna. Ow! Ow! Luna's gone broody. She says it's New Year, I'm going broody. It's nearly springtime. It's too cold, Luna. It is, it's too cold. Don't know if it can see her properly. Her tail's really fanned out. She is a small hen. Luna weighs about, I think it's 320 grams. Yes, she's broody. Just this morning. She, a couple of days ago, she was in this nest box. Because they do this when they're laying an egg. And she was doing exactly the same thing, and then this morning she's back in, so I presume she's gone broody. You have a broody. I don't let them go broody at this time of year. In the UK it's freezing. It's gonna drop to -5 over the weekend. So I don't know if she's got any eggs. Oh, she's got one egg. So if I take that away, that should should break her broodiness. You're a pretty girl, aren't you? You're a good girl. Yes, you are. We've had a bit of a warm spell over the last couple of weeks, and I think that's sparked her into being broody. She thinks it's springtime. I know. You're a good girl.